Points for Actions template allows you to leverage a giveaway participant's odds of winning with actions such as following your profile on Instagram or watching a video. Here's how to set it up. When the template opens in the builder, either turn Edit on to edit each widget right here in the preview area, or leave Edit off and edit widgets here in the Edit Widgets panel. You'll notice this admin container at the top. This contains code and actions required for the template to work correctly. You won't need to edit anything in this container. Start by editing this logo and these icons. They're being displayed by this navbar widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the logo. Click the trash can icon to delete the image that's currently there, and the plus sign to open the Media Manager. When the Media Manager opens, select or upload your new image. If you like, update the URL it links to as well. You can also edit each of these icons. Or just delete them. To edit this text, edit the rich text widget called Headline Text. The first step to participate in this giveaway will be to complete the entry form. To edit the entry form, start with the Form Container widget. If you like, you can connect your form to a different list than the default list it's currently connected to. Click Entry Restrictions to configure how many times and how often you'd like to allow participants to enter your giveaway. Click After Submit to configure what will be seen when the form is successfully submitted. This template is set up to trigger an action which will display the number of points earned and share buttons, so we'll just leave this as is. Under Approvals and Alerts, add one or more email addresses to receive a notification when someone has entered the form. When you're done editing the form container, click Save and Exit. Edit each form field individually. You can customize the field labels, whether or not the field is required, or customize an error message. To add new fields, add a field widget to the form container. Next, edit the actions in Step 2. Each action is represented by its own container. In each container, you can edit the points text and also the points button to customize the number of points awarded for this action. To change the number of points awarded, open the Buttons widget and click the pencil icon. Edit the number of points you'd like to award here, and also here. Update the URL here in this field. Since this action is to visit our Facebook page, this URL should be a link to the Facebook page you'd like the participant to visit. When you're done editing the Buttons widget, click Save, then Save and Exit. Edit the rest of the actions you'd like to include in your giveaway. If you're including a video as an action, you'll edit this video container. Edit the rich text widget. Add the video's YouTube or Vimeo URL here in the video widget. And if needed, edit the Buttons widget to adjust the points awarded. You don't need to make any edits to this action widget, but I want to point out that the points will only be awarded when the video reaches the end, so it's important that participants watch the full video if they want to earn those points. If you'd like to remove an action, select the Actions container and click the trash can icon at the bottom of the Edit Widgets panel. Once all of the actions are customized to your liking, you'll edit the text that appears after the participant clicks the Next Step button. Leave this merge field intact. It's what will display the total number of points earned, but feel free to edit anything else. Next, configure the share settings. In the Share widget, select which share icons you'd like to display. If you're including Facebook in your share options, configure how your share post will look on Facebook by uploading an image that's 1200 by 630 pixels in size. Lastly, add some official rules to this footer text rich text widget. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. For example, customize the color palette to match your branding. To swap out this background graphic, select the container it's set as a background for and remove it by clicking here. When you're done styling your landing page, click Preview to test it out. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Campaign and follow the prompts. Your landing page will be live at this URL.